Hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. This is the show where I impart to you knowledge that I've gained after reviewing over 3,000 kinds of instant noodles. I'm still sick, by the way. Anyways, so today we've got something that just came from Zen Pop. This is Cup Noodles Nice. Or Cup Noodle Nice pork shoyu, but this is a new version of it. I've had it before. It's on the top 10 cups list for 2018, but there's a difference. The other one is 178 calories, while this one is 176. Not only that, a lot of the information on the back panels is different. So it's like, okay, I was just gonna share it with somebody and go, hey, try this, it's really good. It's even got a different barcode, so. But you're thinking, how are you going to cook that? It's a cup noodle. What are you going to do? How's it going to work? What are you going to do? Cup. Noodle. Part A from cup. Part B from cup. Stragglers. $310 of water. And how am I going to cover it? Well, I know it takes 3 minutes, so I better set the timer for that. There we go. We'll put this on it. Meh. Let's see. Can you even see me on that? Yeah. So. There. So, this is the day after I came out with the top 10 Taiwan list, which was the day before Labor Day, which was actually the third in Taiwan. I wanted to have it come out on a Monday at 9 a.m. Taiwan time, so I did. So yeah. I recorded the video on Saturday. I also recorded the video for another top 10. I don't know if it will be released by now, so I'm just gonna not say anything about it. Yeah, actually, it's the other list that I've gotten all ready to go for the most part is the top 10 USA list. So there. It's out. It's gonna happen. But like I've been talking about, I've been sick, and my wife and my son were asleep in the bedroom, and my daughter had been asleep in her crib, and so I was like, alright, I'm going for it. Set up the green screen, set everything up. I'm like dripping sweat. I'm so sick still. Can't even talk straight. I'm like, I've got the perfect time to do this. Everybody's being quiet. This is perfect. Man, I feel like crap. Am I going to be able to get through this? I did. And it was really hard. And I've asked people, I'm hoping they're not just being nice, but I've been asking people, so does it look like I'm just covered in sweat the whole video? They'll be like, no, I don't see anything like that. It's like, you sure? Because I had a towel that I was like toweling off between, like, all right, number 8, blah 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 blah, and get done with it, like, oh my god, give me the towel. Yeah, it was horrible. But yeah, and I felt so crummy, and I think it was that was Saturday night. I worked on it. Started working on it actually right after I was done, because they were all out cold. I figured, well, I need to get this done, so I'm going to do it while I have the option. So I'm working on it. They get up, everything's still cool. Then everybody wants to go to sleep. Later, I'm just like, I can't sleep. I feel too crummy to sleep. And so I think I was up till about 2 in the morning, and I got the body of it all edited and done up. And then I woke up, I think, like at 7 in the morning the next day and finished her up, and it came out. I think it came out pretty good. There's a couple little things that are totally just me, not in editing. But, like, number 9 on the list, I was asking one of my friends from Taiwan, I'm like, so did I butcher it? Did I mispronounce it? Basically, the answer was, yeah. But they were also saying that the translation might have been wrong, too, so that definitely was not my fault, but I figure if the company's like, oh, that's totally not what it's called, you know, they should just let me know, and then I'll do a little correction in the list. You know, obviously I can't correct the video, but so here's what happened. See, it's a cup noodle, and I made it in a measuring cup. It's tapered. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. Noodles are pretty good. Flavor is definitely a shoyu, a salty shoyu. The broth is amazingly thick. What we got here? This is one of these little seasoned pieces of minced pork. Here's a piece of, I believe this is cabbage. I believe a piece of scrambled egg. I remember it said something about leeks in here too. Well, I don't want to go too crazy on this thing before it gets photoed and such, but as good as I remember it, it's crazy. That's under 200 cal, and I really like the noodles in this way better than regular cup noodles. Just make them like this, guys. Just make them like that, because it's good stuff. And yeah, I think it's a big difference. There's like lots of fiber and other stuff going. Wow, that shoot. I wish I could redo that so you could see how the broth poured out, because it was thick. Real thick. And you know, it's a light one, so I'm gonna slap a nice big old pork slice on top. Just because, I don't know. I guess that was kind of thoughtless of me in a way, but it's really tasty too. I wonder if they could do like a really meaningfully made fake pork slice out of textured vegetable protein to go in with it. Honestly, it really doesn't need it, but just makes things a little more like a little Japanese fiesta over here, you know? And here's some spring onion. But yeah, really not much you can do to improve on this one. I'm like I said, this is on the top 10 cups list. It's really good. I happened to find it up in Canada at a place called TNT Supermarket up in Richmond, British Columbia. There's a bunch of them there. They're in different places around Canada. I think there's some in Toronto. Anyways, decent place, good stuff. Sometimes they'll have like all their like special featured items. Usually it's like a lot of cookies and things like that. And then all of a sudden it'll be like, oh look, here's like 10 different really expensive Japanese varieties of instant noodles. It's like, and then there they are, and it's just like, I don't know what to do. I have to get them. They're rad. So, not as much these days though, just due to the fact that I get subscription boxes from 2 companies. Actually, it's going to be 3 companies now. It'll be Zen Pop, Umai Crate, and Japan Ramen Box is coming on board. And there was another one, but I don't think they ever sent it. Oh well. But, yeah. Yeah, it'll be interesting having 3 different ones and seeing the different offerings they have in each. But yeah, I'll just say it's really nice actually doing a couple reviews today, just due to the fact that, like, I didn't do any last week. I was working on getting stuff ready to even do the video for the top 10 list. And luckily, almost all that stuff is dealt with and everything, so I can take a breather and be like, hey, I'm good. I can just do what I like to do. I can do reviews and these little videos and stuff, because these videos, you know, obviously unedited, doesn't do anything crazy. Yeah, I'll probably have to make some eggs tomorrow. I feel bad. There should be an egg sitting in here, but then again, you know, this looks really nice and much more simpler without the egg. A simpler, kinder ramen without the egg. Actually, it's got scrambled eggs, so, but you can't see it. Not from there. It's in there, though. I'm telling you what. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I hope nobody gets sick, like, really quick. I know you're not going to get it from watching the video, but that'd be great. Now you're going to get sick. Ha ha ha. If you do, please leave a comment below if you've gotten ill from watching me talk. Yeah. But, yeah, I never get sick like this. Never. So, yeah, I don't know. It's kind of wimbly wambly wombly. But, yeah. If you do get sick, have some noodles. There'll be a video coming out of, or actually it's out by now, of what I do when I get sick, what I like to have. So, perhaps you'll enjoy it too. Alright. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this, perhaps you'll like this. You know, if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will know as soon as I make a video. You will know. So, consider doing that. Alright, bye.